Sony is getting ready to shake up the smartphone market once again with the upcoming Sony Xperia VIII, and this time the company may finally be changing the design fans have known for years. According to recent leaks, the Xperia VIII could feature a completely refreshed look, highlighted by a bold, square-shaped camera module that replaces Sony's traditional vertical camera layout. This change alone makes the device stand out, showing that Sony is ready to experiment and adapt in today's competitive flagship market. The camera system is expected to include a triple-lens setup along with the trusted Zeiss T-Star optics branding, which hints that Sony is still strongly focused on delivering professional-level photography performance. Another major highlight could be the display. Sony is expected to continue its signature 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio, which is perfect for watching movies, gaming, and multitasking. However, unlike previous Xperia phones that featured noticeable top and bottom bezels, the Xperia VIII may finally adopt a modern punch-hole selfie camera, giving the device a cleaner and more premium look. This possible change shows that Sony is ready to combine its classic cinematic experience with modern smartphone trends. Performance is also expected to be a strong point. The Xperia VIII is rumored to be powered by the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which could deliver fast performance, smoother multitasking, and an improved gaming experience. One of the most exciting rumors is the possibility of a 200-megapixel telephoto camera, which could significantly improve zoom capabilities and allow users to capture incredibly detailed photos even from long distances. Sony is also expected to keep features that loyal Xperia users appreciate, including the 3.5mm headphone jack and the dedicated camera shutter button, making the phone especially appealing for photography enthusiasts and content creators. If Sony follows its usual launch schedule, the Xperia VIII could be officially announced around June, making it one of the most anticipated flagship smartphones of 2026. While these leaks are not yet officially confirmed, they suggest that Sony is preparing one of its biggest design upgrades in years. With a fresh new look, powerful camera improvements, and premium performance, the Sony Xperia VIII could be the device that helps Sony stand out again in the flagship smartphone competition. For fans of innovation and cinematic smartphone experiences, this could be a very exciting release to watch.